What's up, guys? Welcome to Unruly Roaders. So I've just snuck in. Ooh, shit. Quicksand. Just snuck in to a construction site that I got to fly last week, and I forgot to bring an SD card for my GoPro. It's a hell of a little like in here, but it's a pretty cool spot, and hopefully I don't get caught. Oh shit, I just heard a fucking siren though. Shit. I don't think I can be seen from the road now, so we'll see what happens. I just watched the last of the people leave from here, so I'm pretty sure there's nobody here.
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you wanna run with my team. I'm about to get into some shit that I've seen. This fool's breath from it, so that'll melt your ice cream. They say don't say nothing if you can't say nice things. Sitting too close to him, my boy, like my eye sting. I tried to be subtle, hand him a stick of gum. I was a victim of breath on him. Running his yap about what set he from. Gotta get some gum, gotta get him some. He turned it down, his teeth was brown. Excruciating, foreign, it was a new sensation. I had to ask the dope to pass the soap, cause his coat had the stench of crustaceans, or bathrooms in the bus station. He had a can of OE and some raisins. Amazing, head to Tobio, he didn't know. Used to the fragrance, cause as the days went without bathing, he felt manly and not like a maiden. He had one dread and fungus. Said he worked on people's toilets with plungers. Girls, not the guy, you will want the tongue, yeah. So guys, take your cue from this little number. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky. Now in class you need total concentration, but there's kids in the back holding conversations, cracking on each other, and neither were poster boys. Both of them smell like the type that's overboard. Coast and joy to leave an absence. One fool's feet smelled like it struck some matchsticks. Brimstone, girls would never bring him home. I was laughing, then his friend raised his tone and said, "What, you rolled all over yourself?" Yeah. I go so deep on your ass, you'll be submerged like you need to do in water, cause you smell like a turd. Want a cap? Get some courage. Your feet smell lurid. Go look it up, and while you at it, get a cup and squeeze the sweat out your sweatshirt and drink it or gargle. You get our vote for most stinkiest. That nigga started thinking of shit. Said I was frail. I said he was stale. Underarms is ripe. Undergarments hype. About to leap out to holy sweats, and we holding bets. And after this, I'm gonna collect. Nigga, check yourself, respect yourself, and watch a motherfucking body for your sweatshirt melt. Like radioactive, no lady find you attractive. The folks got you captive, you don't need a map, bitch. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta wash your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky. You gotta wash your eyes if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta wash your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky.
On my face. is a necessary change from the grim, simple, and plain. Gonna exercise that brain to break the chain. Pain is a part of game, no need to explain. We innovate, generated, intricately interwoven tapestry, musical and ethical epiphanies. The industry's minimal amount of muscle, muscle with the anchor that can take it all the way to where the sun is black. I run a left, I run a ton of tunnel through a simple simile, a simple sentiment. Adrenaline is coming back. I'm in a minute city with a to be a superstar. I'd rather be a galaxy, but how you see it so dependent on the medicine and rhetoric and how I'm bending any second. You're thinking as I'm sitting at the brink of this world is all asleep, and I have no apologies. I just breathe, keep my side on what we ride on. Let bygones be bygones. The migraines don't sidetrack my final destination. Nothing rivals for determination to exterminate the germination of a nation that day.
So I think it's time to go ahead and pack everything up and get the fuck out of Dodge. A little disappointed that it got so dark so early tonight, but what are you gonna do? At least it didn't rain, right? I will return.
Give it all my energy to get rid of the enemy and set it so. Yeah, yeah, yeah.